knows now. If any doubt, okay, I can show you again one more time. Someone will join.
Yes, ma'am, I joined.
Someone will, what is this name? Sis versus go with someone we and
I'm sorry, ma'am. This was my YouTube channel name, so by mistake it came.
okay, no problem. Uh, okay, now you have logged in with your names. All very good. Thank you so much. And if any doubts, we can. I can show you one more time that dice programming.
No doubts, ma'am.
Tarun, very good. Everyone clap for him. He did very nicely that video. Can you explain, Tarun, like how you did 12? So they can also do that one.
Ma'am,
Everyone listen. He has done very good video. Yes.
ma'am, first I done it 2 to 4 times, ma'am. In the first, second time it did not work. So again I did freshly, so it worked. So I saw in JavaScript. Then I done a video, ma'am.
No, no.
Now,
Which tool you have used?
ma'am, what is it, ma'am?
Yes,
I also did programming, ma'am.
you did like you also did that was correct only. But have you seen his video?
Yes, ma'am.
He sent it the link.
Yes, ma'am.
Like
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
That's the new way, right? That's why I'm asking to him like how he did.
Ma'am, I used some some blocks, but I did not use full blocks. I think so, ma'am. I used only half of the blocks. I thought it was not proper.
To making a video, I'm asking, not programming. To make a video.
I used Story Express screen recorder, ma'am.
That only I'm asking. Story Express screen recorder, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Listen, everyone. Use that one and do the programming now. Now, don't see like fifth class students, okay? Don't do like normal students. Use new. Okay, so we'll start. First, I'll show you the again dice programming in simple way. Then we'll move to our topic, today's topic. Okay. So, Joel, Joel, Joel.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You understood the programming. You was not there in last class, right?
I'm there in last class, ma'am.
Okay. Sudeep Reddy. Sudeep Reddy. Will you speak or not, Sudeep Reddy? Lakshmi Rishita.
Ma'am,
Yes. Can you guide me for program? For dice program. I'll
ma'am,
do.
actually,
Yes.
ma'am, actually, first before class, first half I did not came, ma'am.
So when I asked you to you all like you know that programming, why you said yes? And
Ma'am, I did not.
only two, three people sent me the video. Someone we didn't send. And you also, Lakshmi Rishita. You did not send me the video of your program.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, my laptop is having some problem, ma'am. Ma'am, I have sent you to your personal number.
You can do in phone also, Rishita. No
Okay,
need
ma'am,
of
I'll
laptop.
try.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have
Chinmay,
sent it to your personal number, ma'am. You also.
send it in WhatsApp one group, not personal number, okay? I'll check for this video from next time. Send it in group, okay? Chinmay Dutt,
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am.
Guide me for program. How should I do?
Ma'am, the last class I was not there, ma'am.
Then why you said
Uh,
yes when I asked? I know you was not there. That's why I'm asking you. Why you said yes? Huh?
sorry, ma'am.
Yes. Harry,
Ma'am.
guide me for program.
Yes, ma'am. First,
Yes.
click on basic, ma'am.
Okay, basic. Then
Ma'am,
don't
then
see.
show. Wait, on start. No, ma'am. Inputs, ma'am.
Yes.
No,
On
on
start.
start.
Then
Uh, Wait, ma'am. I will think.
Ma'am,
same thing.
ma'am,
Yes,
can I
करो.
do?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes. say करो. तब तक
Ma'am,
तुम थिंक करो, ठीक है हैरी?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am, go to input.
Okay.
Take a on check button, ma'am,
Yes.
and next go to no, ma'am. First go to advanced, ma'am. Advanced
Okay. Advanced.
functions.
Down. Functions. Okay.
Uh,
Make a function. Which
function
function?
set dice patterns, ma'am.
Okay. Then
Next arrays, ma'am.
arrays. Okay. Then
First one, ma'am.
first one. Why first one?
Because we have to set the 6 now, ma'am.
So why you are using first one?
To show dots like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Tell like we are going to use number of values, 6 values. So we need to set a list of array. Array is a combination of data now. So we need to set a list of array. That's why we are using this block. Okay.
Yes.
Now we'll increasing 6, 4,
5.
5, and 6. Yes.
Then
Now
go to images, ma'am.
go to images and take this one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
See who was not there in last class. See carefully.
Ma'am, duplicate it, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you can do from downwards now, ma'am. It will be less. It will take less effort.
I need to explain now. Downloads means
You can keep that images from downwards now, ma'am.
same thing, na? No. If you do from up, that is also same, na? Down was the same.
But again and again we have to scroll down and scroll up now, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, and now I'll do from downwards. Okay. Five.
4, 3.
Then keep this one in this. Now. Okay, Joel. Joel.
Ma'am.
Yes, tell. Next step.
Next step.
Yes, next step.
Ma'am, you have to create another function, ma'am.
No, I'm asking to Joel. Harry. Sanjay. Yes, tell now.
Ma'am,
Tell now.
yes, ma'am, I'm telling. Functions, ma'am. Go to functions, ma'am.
Hmm. Which function?
Ma'am, roll. Wait, ma'am. Roll.
You're
Roll
seeing
dice,
now?
ma'am. Roll dice.
You are seeing now?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next step.
Next step, arrays, ma'am.
Arrays. Okay.
Li- list, ma'am. List. List
Okay.
get
Now.
value at 0.
Yes. Now.
Then we have to keep a pick random 1 to start, ma'am.
Now.
And again we have to go to arrays, ma'am.
Okay. Arrays.
No, no, ma'am. Images, images.
You're seeing or not? Seriously.
Seriously, ma'am.
See, those who were not present in last class, you have to see the video, reference video. I'm only showing you the programming, how you can do. I can't explain again the one class, right? So go to reference video. Here you will learn the programming, how we did the programming. Now again, tell me
So we have to go to images, ma'am.
images.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Show image, my image at offset, that
that
one,
is done.
ma'am.
See, that is done. I did already.
In show image, my image one, we have to keep list one, ma'am.
This is done. See here.
Ma'am, we have to go to first one, ma'am.
Yes,
Basic one.
yes. Then
Go to on start, ma'am.
on start and
Then go to functions.
go to functions.
Call set roll dice patterns.
Call set dice pattern and call roll dice. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now done.
No, ma'am. Again, we have to go to input.
Yes.
On check button, ma'am.
On check button and
Call roll dice one, ma'am.
call roll dice. Done.
That's
This
it,
is
ma'am.
the program. See, those who are not there in last class, you have to see the reference video and then you have to do this program. Okay. Rishita and Chinmay. Okay. Now we will move to our today's topic, that is radio. See, basic is done. You know, you are aware of basic block input. Music we will do later. Now we are coming to radio one. How we can use the radio blocks. Okay. So radio. You have heard many times radio FM, right? So what do you know about the radio? Just tell me. Then I'll explain the mine one. What do you know about the radio? What we can do with radio? Joel, Joel, I'm asking something to you, right? Anyone? Tell about like what do
Ma'am,
you
a radio is used to convey any of our information to others, or else to convey any of our song to others. Like when we sit in a car, when we on radio FM, we listen songs which are played from the radio center. Using radio, we can also convey anyone's birthday wishes also.
Yes. So music, news, chat, anything, right? Okay. So how did this radio works? Do you know? Anyone knows like how this radio works?
Ma'am, with radio signals.
Radio signal. How radio signal works? That only I'm asking. They have sent the sender have sent the string. How how those strings come to your phone or your laptop.
Don't know, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll tell you. Radio is like there we have sender, and in our phones and in our every devices we have receiver. And radio signal works with air. Okay, like a radio box is filled with electronic components. Electronic components means like catching the wave and sending the waves through the air. Okay, like it, have you seen like when the air is more like air is more, so you are not able to listen properly the radio FM. It will be some like air sound will be there. So this radio signal works with air. Okay, and radio was first developed in 19th century. Which century? 19th century. Okay, and in today's world, radio is very important, and radio is very interesting also. And you might think like radio is a gadget, or radio is like it's coming on Carva, one of that radio box is there. It's not a gadget. Okay, it sends some energy waves. Energy waves means electronics waves. It sends
Ma'am,
from there.
it was
Yes,
invented
yes.
in 1895, no, ma'am.
19th century. I'm telling, not
Now
sun. I'm
only,
telling.
now only I did Google search, ma'am.
I'm sweet. No, it was developed in 19th century. I'm sure.
Yeah, actually, 19th century means 18,000 still 1800
Yes,
will come in 19th
yes,
century and
yes,
19th will come in 2000 century.
yes. Okay. So, like, radio is not a gadget. It will send the electronic waves to the receiver, and we will in our phones and our cars we have receiver. You have seen like up of the car one rod will be there. That is a receiver for radio FM. Okay, and now I'll show you the one picture also to you. From that you will understand clearly. Okay. See this. This is the sender and this is the receiver of. We are able to see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
It will send the waves in like this one.
Hello, hello,
This is called
hello, hello.
yes, yes. And these electronic waves will work in air, and it will reach till the receiver, and we will receive the signals, and we will able to listen the music and anything. Okay, so same thing we are going to do today. We are going to create a micro chat project. In that, we are going to use radio blocks. Radio blocks is nothing but sender and receiver. One block will be one chip will be sending, and the one will be receiving. Okay. When you do this program, you will get two chips on your screen, and when you are doing it physically, you need two chips. One will be yours and one will be your friends, and then you can share the message between these two chips. Okay, but the range will be minimum. Okay, you can't go like 2 to 3 meters and you can see the messages. No, like range is minimum. Okay, so we will do this programming today, and we will see now. Okay, so like when you are using the radio, what thing you observe? How you can connect to radio? Anyone? Anyone?
Ma'am, it needs electricity or cells, ma'am.
Okay. And telling like what thing you observe? How can you on your radio FM?
Ma'am, it has some antenna like something, ma'am.
Okay, antenna is having. Okay. Other than It's having some frequency, right? 94.3 FM,
Yes, ma'am.
different names, different frequency. Okay. So we are going to do that one only. And like we are going to show the number also, frequency and the message also. Okay. Here will be two chips. When you press the one, this button, A button, the message will be on other chip. And when you press the other chip button, the message will be on this chip. And when you press the B button, the frequency number will be here on second chip. Okay. And when you press the second chips button B, the frequency number will be here. Okay. This programming we are going to do. First, we will see how we can send the message. Okay. Then we will come to frequency. Okay. So for radio, most two things important are sender and receiver, right? Sending the electronics waves and receiving the waves. That is main, right?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what we will do, we will take on button A pressed. Okay. Shaking one will not do, and forever and on start also we can't do. It will do forever. It will send the messages continuously. Okay. So when we are pressing the button A, then only it will send the message. Okay. This one we are going to do. On button A pressed, what it should do? It should send the string. String means our message. See, here you can't use a letter, one letter. See, because space is less, right? So that's why we are calling that the full word is a string. So we will radio send string. Okay, which one? Radio send strings. Strings means nothing but a message. Okay, what we will do? Hello. Okay, now what it should do? We have sent the message. Now other chip should receive the message, right? We are using two chips.
Yes, ma'am.
One should send and one should receive. Okay. So what we will do? On radio, receive the string. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
When radio is on, received strings are. Now the message is sent, message is received. What it should do now? Message is sent here. When we press A button, message is sent. Now message is received also. Now what it should do here?
Now again we have to go to radio and take something like
No.
radio receives in
No. We need to show the message right now. Message is not on screen. It's only received. See, on radio received string. Now we need to show the message. What we will do? Show a string. And this one, which one we have received, we will show that one only. That is done. This is the program. See now, I'll show you. Now,
Program is over, ma'am.
yes. Now see. Can you see? I press this button. The message is coming down. I'll press this button. The message is coming up. From both the side, message is sent and message is received. Understood?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have done the programming, ma'am.
For this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Now or before?
Just now.
Okay. Now we will do the frequency. How we can check the frequency number. Okay. Any guesses how? Because first only I told you na how to do.
Frequencies.
We have to set frequency, but how? That only I'm asking. It will be random, right? Frequency will be random.
That only I'm searching, ma'am.
First only I told you, right? When you will press the A button, the message will come. When we press the B button, so now what we will do? Take B button. Now what I should send? The frequency also will be sent, right? And received. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we will use now? Here,
The radio receives string, ma'am.
string C. For letter, for A, B, C, D, for alphabets, we will use string. For 1, 2, 3, 4, we will use number. Okay. And if you want to send one number, then you will use number. Okay. Understood or not?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Understood.
You will use radio send number. Okay. Now we want random number. Okay. So what we will use? Pick random.
Math.
Math. Any number you can take. Any number. Okay. Your wish. And now what I should use here? This one. Already received the string or something else. Tarun,
Yes, ma'am.
I should use already received strings or something else.
This is string only, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, somebody is sending that.
We are not receiving string. We are receiving a number. We are not receiving a string.
It should be displaying, ma'am.
I'm telling we are not receiving string. We are receiving a number. So we should use receiving a number and then we will show this number. Now what I should use? Show string or show number.
Show number.
Yes. Now received a number. That's it. From here only I'm taking. Now see. Now see. See. Hello. One more thing. If you are flashing the message on this shape, the frequency will be on this shape. And when you are flashing number on this shape, the message will be on this shape. Understood? See, now I'm flashing the message on this shape and frequency on this shape. 148. Okay, that is. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
See, you have like doubt. This is a simple program, right? But you have to do related to this program. So many programs there. So many radio using radio. See how many blocks are there. Values, numbers, groups. Groups means when you are using number of number of messages and number of different type of frequency, then you have to use the group. Radio set group. Then you have to set the group. Okay, we will do that programming and see. So many blocks are there. Signal strength. So what you have to do? You have to search. Today I'm giving you this homework. You have to search the program on Radio 1 and you have to do a different program, not the same program. This program is very simple. You can learn in 2 minutes. More than 1 minute is 1 minute is enough, right? For this program. So what you have to do? You have to search program for this related to radio, this one, okay? Not the same program.
Where
So
we have to search, ma'am?
Google.
Okay, ma'am.
Search. Google only, right? So many microbits program is there related to radio button. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So search and do the programming. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, when we do recording, we have to show a video also, no, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Tarun will tell you the name again and you all of you write down the name and do like that.
Ma'am, I do the recording an app called as Active Presenter, ma'am.
That also very good. Do and send it to me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Anyone?
Ma'am, can you explain how can we send message from this chip to that chip?
And we have to do a new radio programming.
Yes. Okay, I'll explain one more time. Okay? Chinmay is asking again, right? Chinmay only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'll explain again and listen now carefully. Okay? What we will do, see, when you are chatting on over the phone, what you will do? You will send the message and your friend will receive the message. the process will be in two things, right? You will send and he will receive. Then only he can see, right? First you
Yes,
will
ma'am.
write the message. First you will write the message. Then you will send the message. And that another person, he will first receive the message and then he will see the message. Okay. So what would these four steps we are going to do in this radio one also? First we will write the message. That is nothing but we will take a button. On button A pressed and we will write the message. Okay. So what we will do, on button A pressed, radio send strings. Okay. This we are writing the message. Okay. What we are doing? We are writing the
Writing the message. We are writing the message, ma'am.
done. Now other person will receive the message. Okay. So on radio received string, he now this block is receiving block. That another person already received the message. Now what he should do? He should see the message. That is show the message. Okay. So what we will do? Show a string. Show a string, and this whatever we received, he will show here. Okay. That is done. Now see
Okay,
here.
ma'am.
The A person sended the message and the B person is this person, the second person is received. See. And it's showing also. See. Now this green one will send the message and he will receive the message. See.
Yes, ma'am.
We have not done the programming for one chip. We have done programming for buttons, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Not for chip, one chip. Okay. Now for frequency, what we will do? The same thing. On button B pressed. Now A button is done. If you will do the A button, this chip will work on this program, not for this program. So you have to set another button. Okay, that is B button you will set. Okay. Now what he will do?
Stop working.
Radio set. Because we are doing the program. That's why it stopped working. Okay. Because see this yellow line. Can you observe? Yellow line, can you observe?
Yes, ma'am.
Means this chip is working on this program. See, this chip is working on this program now.
Yes, teacher.
Work.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what we will do? First, we have sent the message. That is nothing but string. Now we will send the number. So we have to use radio send number block, and that is random. So we will use pick random one. That is in math block. Pick random. You can set the frequency. It's your wish. You can set any, but the like familiar is 1 to 600. Okay. Now the another person is receiving, right? What it's receiving? It's string. What it's receiving here? Here. String receiving or number?
He's receiving a number, ma'am.
So we will use number block. Okay. Radio send or on radio received number is. Now we are showing string or number. We are showing string or number.
Number, ma'am.
So we will use number block. Simple, na? If you are sending a string, it will show only string. If you are sending number, it will show number. That's it. Done? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
See now. On A button pressed, hello. On B button pressed, 3, 1, 3, 14.
Ma'am, I have done one programming, ma'am.
Okay, share your screen. I'll stop. Share your screen.
1 second. This one, ma'am.
This one, okay. Now you did this programming.
No, ma'am. I just I copied and I pasted, ma'am.
Don't do like this. You should understand. You are understanding that programming. What is that?
Here I read something, ma'am. So
Not like this. first you understand that programming, what is that?
Ma'am, can
Okay. Yes. Yes, Samanvi.
ma'am we can show our own programming or else this radio programming, ma'am?
Your your own programming.
Ma'am,
You need
I
to
made my
send
own programming. We should show our own programming or
your own. This you know, right? This is very simple. No need
relate.
to.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, your own programming you need
Okay,
to
ma'am.
show. Okay. Any doubt? And some are not joining class, like Navdeep. Anyone is in touch with Navdeep?
Yes, ma'am.
Harry, just call him and ask him why he is not joining the class. Okay?
No, ma'am.
Not now, after the class.
Okay, ma'am.
And other also. Okay? If you are in touch with them, ask them why they are not joining.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Tarun, what you are telling? Weekend, what weekend?
Ma'am, I'm just asking him. Can't we download it on Google?
You can download. Okay?
That I'm asking him, ma'am.
But first you have to learn, not copy and paste.
Okay, ma'am.
In next class, I'll ask if you send it the program, your own programming. In next class, you have to explain your own programming to all.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So
Ma'am, you have to do programming in the video only, ma'am.
yes, in the video, and you have to send it me. In next class, I'll ask you to present your programming to all. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Sir, can we take attendance?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, G. Soumya. Ramyashri. C. Pallavi.
That is,
Yeah,
so that
okay. Six, right? Okay.
hmm,
Joel.
Present, sir.
Karunaditya.
Present, sir.
Navdeep. Navdeep. Harry Sanjay. Harry. Harry, are you present? Just unmute yourself. Harry Sanjay. Sandeep. Jayant. Sai Durga Jayant.
Present, sir.
Jayant, why you are joining late the class? Jayant?
Ma'am,
Yes, you joined very late.
ma'am, problem, ma'am, connection problem.
Okay. Start before
Okay,
10 minutes.
Samanvi. Chinmay.
Present, sir.
Neil Chandra. Neil Chandra. Sudeep Reddy. Naman Sharma. Priscilla. Desh. Ram Kishore.
Present, sir.
Farhan. Uday. Now someone is trying
Hello.
to enter. Okay, that's it for the class. So